What the hell? Is this that goddamn Angry Bird shit?
No, this is Flappy Birds. Watch this. Let me show you how it's done real quick. Now you just tap it into a motion. Oh, I got it.
You dumb fuck!
Alright, go for it.
What'd I do?
Hit the green button.
Now hit this, tap.
Yep.
Motherfucker! The fuck I do wrong? What am I doing wrong, Michael?
You're not tapping it in time before it hits the ground.
Wait a minute, let me try something here. What's the purpose, Michael? What's the goddamn purpose?
Chill out a little bit. Oh, you almost did it.
God almighty, damn!
Oh!
You don't fuck that!
There's a crack!
I didn't do that! I'm gonna make it this time.
Let me show you something.
You goddamn get motherfucker!
I've done it 5 times already.
You ain't done shit, you live.
Look.
I'm playing this game. Get away. I'm playing the game. Get away. I gotta give me that motherfucker. I'm playing.
Just take it.
Come on, birdie, buddy. Tweet, 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 tweet. Damn, There's no way to beat this game! Son of a mother.
Let me try again.
Get your goddamn head up and keep it on my game! God damn it! I got it!
Ah! Jesus! Okay, Dad.
I gotta walk! I gotta walk!
Okay, walk! Is this your new thing? You gonna take a breather? Whoa, you were. I'm taking the tablet.
I'm gonna teach that motherfucker how to fly.
I'm taking the tablet away.
Ah! I'm gonna teach that motherfucker how to fly! Hey!
You're not breaking the tablet.
I fucking hate this goddamn game! I motherfucking hate it! Man, I hate it more than goddamn Candy Crunch! Ah! Why do you bring this kind of goddamn bullshit into me? Ah! You did it! Goddamn man!
Sit down.
God.
Oh!
You know,
Stop. Chill out a little bit.
goddamn fuck you, bird!
Let's get some wood glue.
Yeah, I'll glue it, okay? You glue it. Fuck that bird. Fucking son of a bitch.
Why do you still play it? You done broke the chair.
What chair? Goddamn! You know, I fucking had it. I fucking had it. Goodbye, Michael.
You gonna be able to get out? Bridget's blocking you.
Fuck Bridget. I'll run over a goddamn car. Don't be here when I get back. You understand me? Don't be here. Take that goddamn game, stick it up your goddamn ass, and be gone.
You're gonna hit Bridget's car.